and not to you when he is mad to you. I will analyze it. He is smiling. I cannot think of that. I don't have like that na kind of cute jealousy. Why he's mad at you? What's the reason of that madding at to you? Hindi ko pa na yan eh. Or maybe it happens pero hindi ko lang nabantayan ba. Just jealousy is like saying I trust you but you really don't. Yeah. Oh, it's raining, guys. Yeah, but it is, I assure you all. I really wondering the raining is like this. Oh, it is raining. And then there's a sunny. The sun is so bright. Grabe. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Nabasa good siya diri oh. Yung sandal ko matanggal. Well, if I go out, I like my partner to go with me. Yeah. Holding hands. It's like saying I trust you, but you really don't. I think it's no. Oh, so that is why. Different situation, that is why different situation. Kapag nag-smile siya sa family mo, tapos hindi nakasmile sa'yo, oh, yeah, that's attention. That's because of that attention, jealousy. Isa din yan, yes. Grabe naman ito, oy. Puro naman ito, jealous, yung pinag-uusapan natin. How about love? Let's talk about the love. The life in the province, TPG. Gusto ko yun. I really like the, yung live streaming ko is, or yung vlog ko is about the life in the province. Yan ang cute jealousy. Okay? Naintindihan ko na yan. Ganyan pala yan. So at least, there's no so much yung bang serious problem about that. It's a cute. It's a cute talaga. Pero that is human nature kasi yan. Lahat ng tao ay may ganyan. Card I already give him. I give him already, tell him. Yes, that I think it can be cute, but if you are mad, it's not real cute. Yeah. It will become a bigger fight. Yun ang problema. So sayang no, yung mga live ko is only short live all the time. Hindi talaga tayo makapag like doing live stream na solo. Gusto ko sana yung mga ganoon ba solo talking lalo na walang siguro sa Pilipinas gawin ko na yan tipinche. Now hindi. Kasi pag uwi na ako, pwede ko na yung magawa mga ganyan na mga So, ayan, Philippines is the number one in the list to go. What's the reason why you didn't go there? They said Philippines is don't believe guys when they said Philippines is cheap country to go with. If compared to Thailand is cheaper. Yan na naman, doon na naman tayo sa country. Let's have to talk about the country naman. Dapat pala ako ng